So the cutting of the light is very similar to the 2015. So at the bottom of the cut line, basically you cut through the original seam. So if you just follow the original seam, then you'll be fine. And when you take the kind of this whole assembly out, apart from moving all the screws in here, there is a screw in the back here, which is over here. Take that one out. And also there is a clip on this side. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not. So here's a clip. Just use a screwdriver to flip it out, and then you can take the assembly out. Once you take apart this assembly, you basically unplug this plug carefully, and you find this controller sitting in the back of this board. So what you have to do here, just unscrew everything you see. There's 3 screws here holding this board, and same as 2015 and 17 model, this outermost board stay as it is. Replace these 2 with the provided EPM board, and replace this harness with the provided harness in the box.